Hack it in a minute. Hack it in a minute. Don't you know that the show gonna go much longer than a minute? But it's still called Hack it in a minute.
Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode of Hack It in a Minute,
Hack it in a
the
minute.
Hacks version of Drum It in a Minute by Mark Powers. This is a simple animation hack using Google Slides. The first thing we're going to want to do is upload an image. I have an image of a pixelated cartoon dog that I made using pixelart.com, but you could draw on paper and take a photograph of it. You could draw on Pixlr. You can also draw on IBS Paint or any sort of digital drawing medium. So I'm trying to get the dog near the center. That's why I left that text box, because it shows me exactly where the center of the frame is. And then I'm going to go to Slide, Duplicate Slide. Then you need to select the dog first and go to Arrange, Rotate, Flip Horizontally. So with one drawing, I can make a cartoon character dance. Publish to web. File, publish to web. Change it to every second and then click the other two boxes. Now you're going to Control C, or on a Mac, Command C. You're going to copy this code. At the very end of the code, you're going to see ms equals 1,000. Milli means 1,000th. So 1,000 milliseconds is a second. You're going to get rid of one of those zeros. Delete a zero, and then when you publish it, it will change every 10th of a second, every 100 milliseconds, or 10 frames a second. There's a very simple, easy animation hack. I have a couple more that I made. Let's just pretend that you don't feel like drawing. So instead, you go on the internet and search for transparent background and steal some things. So I stole a little baby Yoda. If it doesn't have a transparent background, you can import the image into Pixlr and use the magic wand and the cutout tool. Okay, same thing. Every second, check both those boxes, copy the code, and then millisecond equals 1,000. Get rid of one of the zeros, so it's milliseconds equals 100. Rockabye baby Yoda. Look at him. Oh, he's so adorable. And here's another one that's all stolen off the internet. If you don't feel like drawing, but you just want to play around with this fun and easy hack on Google Slides, change it to every second, start slideshow as soon as the player loads, copy the code, find at the very end of the code, ms equals 1,000, get rid of one of the zeros, boom! There you go. Oh, it's so much fun. Now, if you do want to draw a simple pixelated cartoon character, with one drawing, we can make a dancing cartoon. I'm just going to walk you through how I made that dog with an O that's on its side taking a nap, upside down capital Y, upside down U, a C, a backward C. I'm going to leave a little sparkly in there, and then a C and a backward C and an upside down U kind of. Using the pencil tool, this is going to be very pixelated. It's going to look like a sprite from an old 2D video game. Then I'm using the bucket tool, which is just if you push the B, that's the shortcut for bucket. Wherever you click, you'll fill in those shapes, as long as it is an enclosed area. If it's not enclosed, the paint bucket, the color will leak out into the background. And then a very simple way to make a cartoon body is a bigger U shape. Maybe a sort of a U with an 11 for a foot. I would speed this up more if I could, but that's as fast as it can go. A U with an 11. So one arm is up, the opposite leg is down. It's kind of like the single ladies dance that Beyonce likes to do. And obviously, if you wanted to go back into Google Slides, you could have, instead of just two poses, you could double the first pose and double the second pose, so each one was twice as long, and it would go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. But anyway, there's a simple animation hack. Don't you know the show's going to go longer than a minute? But the actual hack itself probably only takes about a minute. Have a nice day.